Hello, it's me. It was not on my 2025 bingo card to come back to YouTube. No offense if you're here, but my love TikTok is going away, I think, maybe. So I decided to test some things out and film myself on YouTube. The annoying thing from a content creator standpoint for YouTube is that I now have to film everything vertical and horizontal, but it's okay, I am gonna do that. So today I'm headed outside to install a Valentine's Day arch. I've been painting and I don't really know how I'm gonna make it happen, but in true me form, I will figure it out. So let's go on that journey together. So I attempted to use a pool noodle. It didn't really work, as you could see. It was sliding around a lot. It wasn't like, it just wasn't secure enough. But the chicken wire that I ordered came just in time. So I'm gonna install that. And I noticed that there's some hooks from Christmas that I'm gonna use. So we're getting somewhere. Alright, it's day 2 and I went ahead and got a better ladder. I actually borrowed it from a friend. This one sits on the steps so I can reach like outside the arch. And I went ahead and I added some florals in. I'm not sure if I like it or if I hate it, but it's staying.